Air fryer chicken wing recipe coming up next. And today we're gonna make air fryer chicken wings, a really simple recipe for you to do home cooking. If you find this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and check out our playlist for other easy recipes. If you like home cooking, that's simple, this is the channel for you. Let's go ahead and dive into our recipe.
So the first ingredient you're going to need is organic party wings. I happen to get these from Costco, but you can get party wings from any sort of retailer. They have them. What I'm going to go ahead and use is for my seasoning Freshjax. A special thank you to Freshjax for sponsoring today's video. Freshjax organic spices is the best on the market. I'm actually going to use a couple of different of their organic spices to show you how simple it is to make your air fryer wings using Freshjax. With their island spice, you can make jerk chicken with the Freshjax seasoning, or rosy cheeks, which is a barbecue spice with maple bourbon in it. They also have keto chop house if you're low carb, wanting low carb recipes or keto recipes. Thai spice, which is awesome if you love Thai food, is so good. So what we're going to go ahead and do is take some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to go ahead and put them across our organic party wings, literally just taking them, dousing them in the olive oil. I like using the small spout so it's not too much olive oil coming out, and then putting my Freshjax organic seasoning on top. I'm going to try, like I said, a bunch of different spices today with my air fryer wings to show you guys that chicken wings can be made a whole bunch of different ways, and it's really simple. This whole recipe, this easy recipe, took under 25 minutes to make, and it could be a meal, it could be an appetizer, but really, really simple. Get all of your seasonings on there. And one of the reasons why I love Freshjax organic spices is because they help children in need who are hungry. For every 2 large bottles or one of their gift sets purchased, they will donate a meal to a child to help prevent childhood hunger, which I'm super passionate about and love that is one of their causes. By simply purchasing their product, I do have a discount code in the description link below, so make sure that you get 2 large bottles or a gift set, because it's going to help a child in need. Okay, so literally I'm putting my spices on, filling up my Kasari air fryer, and getting it all set in the air fryer basket to go ahead and make. We're going to put this on 400 degrees. I was debating about putting it on 425, but my air fryer did not go up to that temperature. So 400 degrees for 8 minutes, and that's going to make them really crispy. If you like your chicken wings really crispy, do it this way. But the island spice, the Jamaican jerk seasoning, the keto chop house was the seasoning we also used. The rosy cheeks was also, that's one of my favorites. I love it. That is not low carb, but it's very, very good. Their Greek seasoning, if you want Greek wings and use it with a little tzatziki sauce, some Thai spice with it as well. They have other choices, but those were the ones I went with today. So popping them into my air fryer, putting the temperature up to 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Then once that stops, then we're going to go ahead and flip them over. So that's halfway through. Flip them over and then do the same thing again for another 8 minutes on 400 degrees after you flipped all of your chicken wings over. Put them back into the air fryer. I'm using my Kasari air fryer again for another 8 minutes, and then your wings are all done. Look how perfect those chicken wings are. I mean, this was the easiest recipe. Under 25 minutes, delicious crispy skin. But on that crispy skin, you'll notice because of the olive oil, and then with the seasoning, that seasoning is like caramelized into the actual wing part of them. They're perfect. Literally, these wings were perfect. The Freshjax organic seasoning made the wings, and you can get a 15% discount code down in the description link below. I was trying to figure out what my favorite was, if it was the Greek wings, if I liked the rosy cheeks the best. I really did love that island spice Jamaican jerk chicken seasoning, which I very well will make again. Rosy cheeks is always a home run hit, but get all of your seasonings down in the description link below.
My friends, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and make sure you click subscribe and check out our playlist down below of other easy recipes for you for dinner ideas. Make it a powerful day. Bye guys.